let's translate a classical Tibetan text together. This is a text called The Four Seals, and as you can see, I have taken the liberty of already annotating it a little bit to make the task easier. So the first thing I did is in red, I wrote down what each letter in Tibetan actually says letter for letter with Latin letters. I Romanized it, you could say. So this is something we call Wiley transliteration. Basically, you take the Tibetan character and you find the equivalent in the Latin alphabet and you write it down and then you write it together. Now, why that's important is because Tibetan is not pronounced the way that it is written. For example, here, although you see the second character there might say bias, it actually says bie. So it's important to know that. Same here, you might see it says zag bekas, but actually it's zab tse, because the C here is pronounced like a ts, unless it's in a word like this where you see a CH together and that makes a ch sound. And then the next thing I did is I wrote in blue what each word means. Sometimes we have some compounded words like over here. So for example, pya means hand and gya means seal, and together they mean mudra or a hand seal, and so it'd be pyagya. So from there it becomes a lot easier to translate. So I did this thanks to a dictionary, and what I love about this online dictionary here is that it actually provides different dictionaries all in one place, which means that you can basically look at all the different connotations to a given word, which is fantastic. You can even see some examples. So after doing that, I came to this as a final reading. It says, Pyagyabni dubye tamche mitakpao, zakche tamcha duknyalbao, chu tamche dag mebao, mianyan le de pa jebao.